Hi, my name is Scott. I'm going to be a rising junior at the Birchworth Athletics School, and this is my final video for my prosthetic hands within BlueStick. So this is basically my hand completed. It's the majority of my mechanical structure, and since my last milestone, I have implemented the thumb, which comes equipped with a servo and a regular DC motor, allowing the hand to both change the angle of the thumb as well as move in and out as all the other fingers do. I also added the Arduino component, which is what my hand is mainly going to be controlled by ultimately. And so the reason I needed the Arduino now, though, is because the servo on the thumb, when it rotates between a certain range depending on what my Arduino code sets for it, and it'll rotate back and forth in that range, or it can rotate just one direction depending on that. So I ran into many problems even since just my last milestone. One being that, especially in the trigger, because it's going to be a temporary output for the electrical energy that goes into my hand, I didn't solder wires down, and therefore whenever my hand stops moving for whatever reason, it's hard to pinpoint exactly where that problem is coming from when you have a lot of wires here and the potential for it to be screwed up in the battery and the Arduino as well, or the mechanical structure of the hand. Furthermore, in the hand, whenever I tried to clamp down or really press together the palm with the backside, the tensioners inside would push down against the bottom and it would unravel the tendon, and therefore the finger would almost come apart in the sense that it wouldn't be able to move up and down. And so that is still a potential problem to face, and so in order to customize that later on, since my project will be continuing, I will be putting something around the center of it to kind of extend the width of the hand to prevent that from happening. So my hand, in order to move the thumb, requires a USB port, and so I plug that into my computer and it goes into the Arduino, and when I plug in all of the pins to where they're supposed to be, my thumb can rotate, and it rotates depending on the range where I set it, which is from here to approximately there. And it can rotate while the thumb opens and closes, as well as the rest of the hand. The thumb and the rest of the hand also have a pretty strong grip, and so by closing the hand on this, it's pretty strong. Won't let go of it.